For months, everything in my life revolved around just one thing: board exams. Late nights, stress, expectations. But now that they are finally over, the real question is, how did my board exams actually go? Preparing for board exams wasn't easy. Some days I felt super confident, and some days I honestly felt like I knew nothing. Especially maths and science, they really tested my patience. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My channel's name is Chasing Daylight, where we chase the light of our passion even in the chaos of study. Maths was honestly the subject I was scared about. The questions they tested my patience and मैंने बहुत गंदा किया maths में. So I will say the difficulty level of maths for me was a 10 on 10. I like science relatively more than maths, so science was easy for me. And as I am a Marathi student, so I only had one day gap for my science ka paper. So I don't know how I managed to study it, but still it went okay. But I don't like numericals, so my physics numerical, that was terribly bad. I did it bad, and a certain reason तो it was so much confusing कि end में तुक्का मारना पड़ा, बाकी कोई choice नहीं था. That's why. Confusing questions were assertion reasons, and वो जो सर्किट वाला न्यूमेरिकल था वो मेरा फिर भी चूक गया. इतना ईजी था बट स्टिल आई गॉट इट रॉन्ग. So I was very disappointed in myself. Difficulty level 6 on 10. It was quite easy. English, it was super easy. My best paper out of all the 5 papers. Yes, I don't have IT, so there is no other paper which can replace my maths के marks या कोई भी subject के marks. So that is a disadvantage for me. But I will say English का paper was the best paper which I had ever given. And second thing, after that I was having Marathi. If we talk about Marathi ka paper, Marathi, it was very easy. I loved writing Marathi. But you know, again, while writing Marathi, there are very silly mistakes. So if they grant us the things, then it will be very easy. But let's see. I have written Marathi का paper अच्छे से, because Marathi easy होता है समझने में, पढ़ने में. But जब लिखने के टाइम आता है तो वो थोड़ा हार्ड हो जाता है. लाइक वी कांट राइट इट दैट मच फ्लुएंटली. बट या, आई लव्ड दिस पोएटिक डिवाइस वाले क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि हमको हमारे क्लास टीचर ने ऑलरेडी पोएटिक डिवाइस के बारे में बताया हुआ था. सो दैट वाज वेरी हेल्पफुल. एसएसटी द एमसीक्यूज वर पिसिंग मी ऑफ, एंड ज्योग्राफी का 5 मार्कर जो था वो आया था मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज से. एंड आई वाज वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड इन दैट क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज दोनों भी 5 मार्कर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज से थे. एंड वो इस पे नहीं थे इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज, एंड वो अनप्रेडिक्टेड जगहों में से आए थे 5 मार्कर के. तो कुछ तो लिखा हमने. एंड आई ऑल्सो हैड डिफिकल्टी इन एमसीक्यूज, बिकॉज वो डायरेक्ट टेक्स्ट बुक की एक लाइन दे दी. अभी देयर वाज वन क्वेश्चन, आई विल टेल यू, यहाँ पे दिख जाएगा आपको. आई वॉज सो कन्फ्यूज इन दैट कि कौन सा कॉन्टिनेंट में मार्क करूँ, एंड इट वॉज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. बट ठीक है, हो गया. अभी पेपर तो चले गए. इस जोग्राफी का 5 मार्कर वॉज प्रीटी डिफ़िकल्ट, एंड एमसीक्यू भी मतलब मेरे लिए डिफ़िकल्ट थे, आपके लिए बहुत इजी भी हो सकते हैं. सो या एसएसटी का डिफ़िकल्टी आई विल से 4 on 10, इतना भी नहीं था. So my advice for the students who are going to go into the 10th class now, that be consistent from day 1. You have to be consistent, like study 1-2 hours या 3 hours या जितना भी आपके लिए suitable हो उतना पढ़ो, but consistently पढ़ो. Because I was unable to do it, मैं consistently नहीं पढ़ी थी, so I had to face the difficulties. So I will say please study consistently. And you know, there is one YouTuber which I admire very much, that is Ash Talks. So I literally watched her videos, and she's too amazing in her things. So yeah, and there is also one more 10th CBSE video, like Sai Shimpi. He is also very good. Like I love their watching their routines and everything. So if you want to gain motivation, you can follow their channel. And also you can follow my channel for these things as well. So I hope you liked it. Second thing, don't panic during the examination situation. This happened to me when it was maths paper. Maths paper was my first paper, and I was so much panicked, and मैं लिख भी नहीं पाई थी जो मुझको लिखना था. So yes, and I hope it's working well. अभी तक मैंने stream selection नहीं किया है. Once I do it, I will be definitely uploading a video on that as well. So yes. Boards felt like the biggest chapter of my life, but now it's over, and this is just the beginning of a new journey. And now it's time to chase the next daylight.